Sergeant Tajay Tucker. I'm with Headquarters and Headquarters Battalion, 3rd Infantry Division. I was inspired to join the United States Army because when I attended John Jay College of Criminal Justice, I was surrounded by a lot of military and ex-military like veterans. And soon after I met my recruiter, who kind of just made me believe in myself and that I could do it. I am a 13 Fox, which is a Joint Fire Support Specialist, and our job consists of planning, briefing, and executing fire missions. My alternative to joining the Army would have just been like obtaining my criminology or criminal justice degree. I know that I wanted to do something somewhere in that field. I was specifically drawn to paralegal specialist or military police at first. The Army has changed me as a person by making me more confident, outgoing, and independent, both in and out the uniform. I joined the Army more so for career opportunities. I just wanted to gain that experience that would help me get whatever job needed with the education plus my experience. The most rewarding part of serving my country has been being a leader and having soldiers confide in me, helping and watching them achieve their goals.